Examining? Yeah. Okay, what are you doing after your SSC? I'm gonna sleep all day, I'm gonna be busy with Facebook, perhaps hang out with my friends, and travel. What the hell are you thinking about your career? What is career? You don't know? No. Okay, to make your life better, to go to the upper level, and to make your life a classical life, and to give the best gift into your life. This is called a career. But how do I achieve all this? Because those are a lot of skills and I need some help. Perhaps an organization would be better. Yes, I can suggest you an organization, and when I was a kid, I used to go there, and the organization name is Winner BD, and they offers a lot of things. Winner BD, I have heard the name. Isn't that the organization that offers smart English speaking, creative writing, pronunciation, British and American accent, and also math, IQ test? And also they offers ICT, methods, and also Media Academy. They teaches RJ and how you can become an RJ, and also they teach you how you can become a news presenter. And they're gonna give you a script into class, and you have to read the script. That's really great. I think it will help me a lot. And I also heard that they're like giving out a scholarship. Have you heard about that? Yes, of course. They're giving a scholarship and they're preparing for a competition for all of the SSC examinees. It's on English speaking, right? Yes, and also mental math. Oh, that's really great. So when is it held? Okay, it will held on 3rd and 4th March. What's the time? Okay, 8 a.m., 10 a.m., and also 3rd p.m., 5th p.m. That's really great. I will definitely turn up and also tell all my friends. Okay, so...
ক্যারিয়ার ধরে একটা ব্যাগে থাকতে তোমরা চলে আসো ওদের মতো এসএসসি পরীক্ষার পরে আপনার সন্তানের উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যৎ কামনা সবসময় পাশে থাকবে উইনার বিডি। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।